In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube profile picture with Polotno Studio. We're going to design a clean professional profile image with the correct dimensions, then download it so it's ready to use on your channel. Start by opening Polotno Studio in your browser. When the editor loads, the first thing to set is your canvas size. A YouTube profile picture needs a perfect square, ideally 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Look for the size menu, choose custom dimensions, and enter 800 for both width and height. Keeping a 1:1 ratio ensures your image looks crisp and correctly cropped on every device. Because YouTube shows your profile photo inside a circle, center the important parts of your design and leave a little breathing room around the edges. That means placing your logo, initials, or face squarely in the middle, with enough margin so nothing gets cut off. If you want a quick head start, open the Templates section and pick a layout that matches your channel's vibe. You can swap colors, fonts, and graphics to make it your own. To bring in visuals, go to Photos to search stock images via Unsplash, or click Upload to add your own pictures or a brand logo. If you have a logo with a transparent background, a PNG file works great for clean edges. Next, add your text and graphics. Use the text panel to type your channel name or initials, then choose a font that's legible at a small size. Bold, high-contrast fonts tend to read better inside a circular crop. The icons and shapes sections are perfect for adding subtle accents, simple badges, or a colored background that helps your profile stand out. Fine-tune the details so everything feels cohesive. Adjust transparency for overlays, use the position controls to send elements forward or back, and align items so they're centered. Stick to 2 or 3 brand colors and make sure your text contrasts strongly with the background. Zoom out occasionally to preview how it will look small, because profile pictures are often seen at tiny sizes. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download. Click the download button, typically in the top right. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG is generally best for logos and graphics because it preserves sharp edges and detail. Confirm the size is still 800 by 800, then save the file to a folder you can easily find later. And that's it. You now have a polished, square image ready to upload as your YouTube profile picture. If you want to explore variations, duplicate your design in Polotno and test different backgrounds or fonts before deciding on the final look.